Okay, so this is a question of two semicircles overlapping. For this kind of questions regarding area and perimeter, usually they will break into two parts, right? One will be the area, the other one will be the perimeter. So what you can do is, you have two semicircles, right? Two semicircles equals to one circle. You might want to find the area of one circle first. So for part A, I will want to find, maybe I don't label part A. I will do it first, then I'll label the answer as part A. My radius is 5, so calculator pi, I would, in order to find area of one circle, so area of one circle, right, I'll take the calculator pi r times r, so I can have pi times 5 equals to 25 pi. Okay, so they want to find 25 pi, right? It also mentioned that the area of the shaded part OBD is 20 cm square. So what you need to do is, there is an overlap part that is actually not shown. You will need to minus away. So 25 pi, I will minus 20. So you use your calculator. I always wait till the last step before I use my calculator pi. You try not to use the calculator pi until it's the last step, because usually there is a rounding question whereby you need to round it off to nearest two decimal places or not. So the only part that you can do rounding is the last step. Alright, so you have 25 pi minus times 25 pi, you minus 20, you will be getting this answer. I need not write, the numbers is never ending, 58.539 something, it's very long. In order to do rounding to two decimal places, you only need 3. So you will underline this. Remember, we have a poem like more than 5, add one more, 5 or less, just ignore. So I will be getting 58.54. So my part A answer is 58.54. Finding area, square centimeters. Okay, the next part will be for the perimeter of the figure. You will need to find the perimeter of the whole figure, right? So you know that the perimeter of the shaded part is 18 cm. You also do know that this is 5, and whatever is left, 18 minus 5, you are going to get 8. This is 8 over here. If this is 8 over here, you do know that is also 8 this part. Alright, so what you can do is to find the circumference of one circle first. Circle, so I will use 22 over 7. My diameter is no longer 5, my diameter is 10. So I will get, they want it as a mixed number, right? So let's see, I will get 22 times 10 out of 7, 31. You get 3 out of 7. Okay, so you will get 31, 3 out of 7. You will need to minus away 8. So you will need to minus away, so 31, 3 out of 7, you will minus away 8. 31 minus 8, you get 23, 3 out of 7. Okay, now you already found out that the circumference, the curved part of the figure is 23 and 3 out of 7, but you will still need to add the two straight lines over here. So I will have, let me move this away first. I would have 23 and 3 out of 7 plus 5 equals to 33. And this one I erase, so 33 and 3 out of 7. So my answer will be this 33, 3 out of 7 cm. This will be for part B. So the answer key is not right over here. Okay, so this will be for both for question 15.